Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are diving into world of UI design and color exploration with three incredible websites that will take your projects to next level. First off, we have a Seder Gradient at sedergradient.co. This tool is a game changer for creating a stunning gradient with just few clicks. Whether you are an experienced designer or just starting out, Seder Gradient is an innovative interface and real-time previous make to enjoy your experiment with different color combination. So say goodbye to dull background and hello to creative vibrant color. Eye-catching gradients. Next on our list is the scale. Scale is a color scale generator that lets you fine-tune your pattern with passion. It is perfect for achieving that harmonious balance in your UI project. The visual representation of color scale and ability to customize them on fly make scale is a must tool in your design icons. Check out the link in description to start refining your color scheme effortlessly. Last but not least, we have a pattern maker. These tools simplify the process of creating cohesive color patterns, whether you are working on website, app, or graphic design. Pattern makers suggest harmonious colors combination that save your time and ensure a polished look. Explore, experiment, and evaluate your design game with this user-friendly color patterns generator. Each of those websites bring a unique approach to UI color, so be sure to check out and let us know which one become your new favorite. Links to all those tools are in the description below. If you found this video helpful, do not forget thumbs up, subscribe for more content and hit the notification bell to stay updated on our latest discoveries. Thanks for watching and until the next time, happy designing.